Okay, so we have been on this, as you know, right from the beginning, and we reported because we didn't have access to you, but we had other sources that the judge was concerned after the Relly's questioning. That's the main witness against your client. That's what this case is about, really.
Mhm.
After Relly's question about the prosecution continuing with the ethics going on, and I think that may have something to do not only with the questioning, but I want you to discuss with us the shakedown. Did you ever tell the prosecutor's office, the DA's office, that your client this was a shakedown and they continue to go forward? That's my first question. That's A. Number B, did the prosecution in writing ever acknowledge that the judge told them that there may be an ethics issue? I don't know if you have it, if you can tell us what it is. If you don't want to tell us what it is, it's fine, because we're going to ask the DA.
Yeah, well, good luck with that one. Good luck getting an answer from the DA on that one. There is one, there was one part of the gag order still in effect, and it has to do with a particular sidebar conference that we had regarding questions that you're asking me right now. In that regard, I can't really speak to anything the judge said at a sidebar during Relly's testimony. But look, I don't think it takes a rocket science or even a veteran courtroom observer to understand that maybe was the worst witness in the history of American jurisprudence. He imploded. He was combative on everything, but more importantly, he admitted to perjury. He actually said to me, "Yeah, I lied to you under oath because I just wanted to get out of here. I didn't want to answer any more questions." That was one of the greatest ever. He gave us 4 answers to one question. Yes, no, I don't know, I don't, maybe. So that was literally, and I said to him, okay, just pick one for the jury, just whichever one you want, just pick one for the jury. It was just, he threw a water bottle, he cursed, to the judge, by the way. It was like, whoa. And I had to keep someone said, I'm reading one of your comments there, I had to keep my cool and remain. That was the hardest thing that's ever happened to me. For me to be able to keep my cool with that parasite on the witness stand, because I wanted to really just verbally assault him. Aside from the physical aspect of it, I wanted to verbally assault him and just slice him up. But that would be playing down to his level. That would be feeding into what he wanted, and he was really a volatile human being, and that's what I wanted to portray. Right? Here's a guy and think about the setting. You have a judge, a jury, bailiffs, sheriff's deputies, cameras, and he's acting hostile and violent and volatile. What does he do in the dark of night in the street when he's alone? And we were painting him as the aggressor in this case. So he played right into that, boy.
Let's talk about Relly real quick.
Before you talk about Relly, we saw we named you, our chat has named you ASAP Taco. Go ahead.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, honorary.
Rocky told me that. I was pretty happy about that. So.
Honorary member of ASAP.